guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sabrina. So new to channel la no pam Sabrina. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what to get your glitter and how to apply them. Dans la vidéo aujourd'hui, I'm gonna montrer vous comment vous joindre un petit éclairé qui pas cher et comment vous mettez sur dossier. I found these amazing glitters on Amazon. It's a must-have, sis. I know I always say it's a must-have because it's a must-have. Like 45 shade for $9.99. Like, who wouldn't want 45 shades of glitter for $9.99? I know I would. So I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow with them, showing you guys how to apply them on the eyes. The only thing about these glitters, they're a little messy. That's it. But as long as you know how to apply them, you apply them on the eyes, they'll do the job. And they're very cheap. So mon rencontré si clair ça yo dans Amazon. 45 shades pour $9.99. Like vraiment cheap. So je vais vous montrer comment pour apply yo sous dossier. Comment pour faire dossier avec ti clair. So soit chercher ti clair pour faire dossier. Ou pas besoin spend a lot of money. Not ti clair. Ou ka toujours aller dans Amazon site là, order those one. So if you're looking for glitter to do your eyeshadow with, you can always go in the Amazon site and check out for these sisters. Okay, you guys already know that we're gonna have to add some tape to create a straight line. Nous allons mettre tape pour faire une ligne droite. Et m'a aussi mettre tape en bas zoom comme des comme ça glitter déjà merci pour préparer. I'm also adding some tape on the bottom of my eyes because the glitter is messy. So it doesn't fall on my face. I'm just gonna brush it off a little because I already put my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with a Tribe palette from Jewel Place. Walnut Tribe palette from Jewel Place, and I'm taking the darkest green, and I'm going to apply it there. As you guys know, I always start from my outer corner, work my way into my inner corner. Comme nous connaissons que j'aime toujours travail, toujours commencer par dehors, même pas derrière yeux, et puis tout me travail ouais moi pas devant. Now I'm just going to add some concealer to cut my crease, but really what I'm doing with the concealer is I'm just gonna put it on top of my eyes. Kounya sa m'pral fè mwen pral cut crease mwen. Ça m'a utilisé concealer pour me clean deux yeux, on ka retirer couleur vert là côté moi pas mettre l'autre couleur. So I'm just putting the concealer to clean out the darker color where I'm going to add the other color. And then I put wipes my silly. Want to get a wipes with a makeup remover to just wipe it off, and if you have like a Q-tip you can also use that as well. I'm just gonna clean the brush. So now I'm going to add some primer. I'm using P. Louise. I see a brush là avec makeup remover. I'm gonna make the primer P. Louise là. And I'm just going to apply it where I wipe off the concealer. Ma mette li côté moi si concealer. And remember to take your time, and I kind of make a little mistake right there because I had a look what I wanted to do in my eye, but then I changed my mind, so I was like no, I don't want to do that anymore. So now I'm just gonna go back and just fill in where I missed. Couldn't on the back filling what I missed. Now I'm going in with the Warriors 3 by Jewel Place. I'm using the pink shading there. I've utilisé Warriors 3 by Jewel Place là et ma couleur rose la donne, and I'm just applying it on my lid and just make it to those here. I like to find a color that's similar to the glitter that I'm going to apply on my eyes. So ça m'a fait moi en chercher un couleur qui même genre ensemble avec couleur éclairé à pour le mettre sous deux yeux. I'm blending the two colors together so it can look smooth. Ma blendé tous les deux couleurs ensemble pour qu'elle soit sous deux yeux. I'm going to add the glitter glue where I cut my crease with the pink. On va mettre glitter glue à côté, moi mettre rose là. Just make sure that you apply enough glue so the glitter can stick. Make sure que vous mettez assez glue pour glitter à arrêter sur deux yeux. Comme déjà qu'on est glitter à mettre déjà, so mettez assez glue. Just make sure to put enough glue. You know the glitter is already messy, so we don't want it to be falling off. Now I'm using a flat brush to apply the glitter. So, kounya la men ma petit zoom on brush ki flat pour ka mette ti éclairage sur deux yeux. You just tap the glitter on top of your eye. You don't have to like wrap it up. Just tap it as you go, and then it will stay. Just tap it, tap ti éclairage sur deux yeux. I'm gonna be adding the white shade from the festival palette. I'm gonna make the couleur blanc na festival palette là in my inner corner na coin shim. And I'm putting on some eyelash. These are the best lashes ever. I'm going to finish my face and I'll be right back with my final thought on the glitter. What from that give me my encore avec dernier pensée de t'éclairer. So guys, I'm finally done. Like I said, the glitters are not that bad. They're just a little messy. If you learn how to work your way around it, you'll get the job done. Comme dit nous déjà, glitter pas mal. So quand on peut travailler ensemble avec lui, la fait job là pour vous. So before I go, I do have a video how to apply your eyeshadow with Morphe Eye Babe brushes. Don't forget to click on it when this video is finished. I do have another video doing a review on Little Massage foundation. Please check it out. One video comment pour faire deux yeux avec Morphe Eye Babe brushes. Pas oublier pour cliquer sur lui et mon l'autre vidéo reviewing Little Massage foundation. Pas oublier pour cliquer sur ça as well. Those two videos are great, guys. They're like amazing. So probably put like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Probably put like, comment, and subscribe. Faites la notification bell là, les moi upload une vidéo pour occasionner. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.